Trainline Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll walk you through my experience using Trainline, one of the top booking platforms for train travel in Europe. If you're planning to book train tickets or passes, I've included links to the platform in the description below for easy access. Trainline is designed for travelers who need a fast, reliable, and simple way to book train tickets across Europe. It covers a wide range of destinations, offering tickets for trains in over 45 countries, including high-speed, regional, and international services. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, Trainline gives you access to major train operators like Eurostar, Thalys, and SNCF, as well as smaller regional lines. The platform itself is user-friendly and intuitive. You can easily enter your departure and destination cities, select your travel dates, and view a list of available trains, along with their departure times and ticket prices. The search filters are useful, allowing you to sort by train type, price, and journey duration, so you can quickly find the best option that suits your schedule and budget. One of the most notable features of Trainline is its mobile app, which allows you to book and store your tickets digitally. This eliminates the need for paper tickets, and you can simply use your phone to board the train. The app also gives you real-time updates about your train's status, helping you stay informed about any delays or platform changes. Another great feature is its customer support, available through phone and email. If you need help with booking, changing your tickets, or handling any travel issues, their support team is responsive and professional. In summary, Trainline is an excellent booking platform for anyone looking to travel by train in Europe. It's quick, straightforward, and offers a wide selection of routes and train operators. Be sure to check the links in the description to get started with your next train journey.